You're the boss, can't be in love. Yeah, boy, I'm such an overthinker. I'm not one who misses all the jokes. I'm not the number. I'll live at 4 o'clock in the morning, but
Could describe everything with one single word.
yeah, wake up, bloody earth. Yeah, yes,
Bitch. TikTok.
The shadow. Yes.
So I'm also German. I'm like super German actually, but I don't speak it.
Shaking ass in the parking lot.
I'm like super German.
I'm like super German.
Bitch.
Haha, baby, laugh it off.
Haha, baby, laugh it off.
My mom clearly knows about it because she's literally spoken to me saying that she's upset.
You move like it. Yes. I'm gonna tag you straight.
You might think I'm
Super German.
You might think I'm
Latina
You might think I'm
shaking ass in the parking lot.
You might think I'm dyslexic. You might think I'm bisexual. You might think I'm
You might think I'm
highly
Body gets twisted. Body gets
twisted.
yes. But it's a state of mind. They get abused.
You might think I'm crazy.
Basically, I am woman. I am Vivian.
It's like you want to say we don't want to say that. It's just like 1,000 times worse.
I'm punched. Oh wait. Jealous of my mention.
Manon is on hiatus and she won't come back.
State of mind. Jealous of my mention. Jealous of my mention.
You might think
I'm not the perfect example of someone ready to handle the kid. Required to go and I'm such an overthinker.
You might think I'm
A state of mind. Shaking ass in the park. Jealous of my mention.